Well, we have some big breaking news coming in. Miscreants have defaced signboards on Akbar Road and Shah Jahan Road. The vandals have put up posters demanding the renaming of these roads, thereby demanding the shedding of more Mughal vestiges. They believe that these roads must be renamed after Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and other personalities, they believe. And the Hindu Sena in fact has also released a statement saying that this morning some patriotic people demanded to change the name of Shah Jahan Road to Ambedkar Marg. Hindu Sena has welcomed this. Hindu Sena has been running a movement against the road in the name of Muslim jihadis for a very long time. Hindu Sena had earlier demanded to change Akbar Road, Babur Road, Shah Jahan Road and Feroz Shah Road. The national president of Hindu Sena, Shri Vishnu Gupta, has written letters to the government several times, but till now the names of these two were not changed. Hindu Sena demands the government that the roads be renamed after Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and other Indian freedom fighters and not the Mughal leaders. Let's now listen into some reactions coming in.
आज सुबह कुछ राष्ट्रभक्तों ने शाहजहाँ रोड का नाम बदलकर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर जी के नाम कर दिया। मैं उन सभी राष्ट्रभक्तों का स्वागत करता हूँ। हिंदू सेना उन सभी का धन्यवाद करती है। हिंदू सेना बहुत लंबे समय से इन सभी जिहादी आतंकवादी आक्रमणकारी के नाम से जितने भी रोड हैं उन सभी रोडों का नाम बदलने की मुहिम चला रही है। यहाँ सरकार से मांग करता हूँ इन जिहादियों के नाम से जितने भी रोड हैं उन सभी रोडों का नाम बदला जाए और हमारे महापुरुषों के नाम रखा जाए।
Well, we have Riyanka also joining us from the national capital. Riyanka, an incident of defacement of signboards has come to light from Delhi, where the vandals, in fact the Hindu Sena, has now demanded that these names be changed to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and other freedom fighters and not Muslim jihadis. So what do you have to say about this?
Right, Deepak, this incident happened late last night when several miscreants on the roads, they took charge of several of these areas that lie in the central Delhi, especially very prominent areas like Akbar Road, Tughlaq Road, and they went ahead and vandalized and defaced these signboards that are being put in just as you enter those roads. And they have, what they have done is they have spray painted the entire signboard, and they have also put up posters. Now, the affected areas I would like to mention here, they include Tughlaq Road, and the Tughlaq Road signboard saw a poster that read Maharana Pratap Marg, and similarly Shah Jahan Road sign was covered with a poster asking for renaming it into Chandrasekhar Azad Road. The sign of Humayun Road was not just only blackened with spray paint but also renamed as Parshuram Marg. And if we talk about Akbar Road's sign, it met a similar fate. There were calls to name Akbar Road in terms, be replaced with the B.R. Ambedkar Marg. These miscreants, they were in fact demanding that the names of the Islamic rulers such as Akbar and Tughlaq, these names must be replaced by the leaders of the Indian cultural history, be renamed by the freedom fighters, which is why they went ahead and vandalized all these signboards in central Delhi area. Now, on the other hand, we have seen the Hindu Sena issuing a statement, and reaction also we just heard, where they are in fact welcoming this move by the miscreants. They have said that they have been long demanding from the government that these names be changed from these Islamic rulers to the people who had fought for the freedom of our country. So that has been a long demand. So this is what we have seen in terms of the investigation. The police, the local police of that area, they are investigating the matter and looking into who has been behind this. Back to you.
Right, Riyanka, many thanks for joining me with all those details. Well, the Hindu Sena has now released a statement welcoming the moves by the miscreants who defaced many of these boards and demanded that they be changed after Indian rulers or Indian personalities instead of the Mughal names.